What is needed is peace for development.
The first thing that we need to do is to consider the interests of the Rivers people. In all of this thing, we're talking about gladiators, we're talking about leaders, former, present. What is the position of the people of Rivers? And in talking about the position of the people of Rivers, we must have at the uppermost on our minds law and order, peace and security of the Rivers people. As of yesterday, one councillors forum issued a statement that somebody is fomenting a breakdown of law and order and the rest. You know, for people who are struggling to make a living, I think insecurity or upheavals are not going to help them in any way or form. So whatever is going to happen should not let breakdown of law and order in Rivers State because of these struggles. Secondly, we must, like the barrister said, act to save the judiciary. Where the judiciary is giving conflicting judgments and is being, that does not give the kind of hope that the common man requires from the judiciary as the last hope of the common man. The judiciary should be saved, even if, like a lot of people are suggesting, by establishment of a constitutional court that takes a final decision on matters like this that require interpretation of the Constitution. So we don't begin to get a Rivers High Court issuing an order and then a federal High Court in Abuja of a concurrent level, given a different order. Now, the political parties, no matter how you want to hide it, the political parties must begin to come out and, take charge of the democratic process. Otherwise, nobody has his name on a ballot paper. It is always the political parties that we have on the ballot paper. That tells you how important the political parties are to this electoral process. So why do we have crisis and the political parties are silent or aloof or on the sidelines? I think they should be the ones to take, the front seat in trying to broker.
But they may have intervened without making it very open. The governor attends meetings of the PDP, and I know that some PDP leaders have visited. So maybe it just wasn't made open.
No, you see, if the crisis is open, there is no point in finding solutions on the ground. Sometimes, yes, in diplomacy, you talk behind the scenes, but whatever is the outcome, because people are anxious. But most importantly, Fubara has the mandate. Fubara is the governor. No matter how much you want to believe that he needs to show some level of gratitude, the truth about it is that the mandate is his own. Okay. If he fails, he is the failure. Okay. If he succeeds, then finally, my sister made one statement. It's very important. It's very key. There's a difference between gratitude and servitude. I'm grateful to you. It's different from I'm your loyal servant. The two different things.
Point note.